Good morning, good afternoon, good night. No, hi, me, it's Leigh. I don't know when you're going to watch this, so hi. So this is from Shabby Art Boutique in the classroom. She's fixing to open it back up. Shabby Art Boutique is on Etsy, Facebook, and on Etsy she sells a lot of product like I'm going to show you, but this is in the classroom. We pay $9 a month. We get like 30 sheets of several different projects, and this is the March Whimsy Dollhouse collection, and I have so much extra fussy cutting and different things that I just didn't even use. I mean, there's tennis shoes. There's wings. So let's just go through this folio. I told you that I had made quite a few folios, and I am going to do a folio tutorial starting tomorrow. I'll make a couple of them because I've done several. So, okay, this is the house, and I put it on a board and put it here, and then you see the light green. I did use Tim Holtz sponge sugar ink. So there's the back. I put a little tag here to write my name. So let's open this up. You open it, and here is a tag I made instead of fussy cutting it, and it's green. It matches the green. Little bingo card that says dresses. Here's a dress. Here's some shoes. A little hand purse just stuck in there. And this is big when you do open it. And then you open it. Here's the house. And here's a tuck spot with some more goodies. There's a purse back in there. And there's so many colors. There's pinks and light oranges and blues, but it all coordinates. And you open it like this, and then you open it like that, and you open it like that. And then here is a pocket that comes with the kit. This is a doll that you can actually fussy cut out and make paper dolls because the dresses fit. Here is some more ephemera she gives us. She gives us envelopes, she gives us a wardrobe, all kind of stuff. I made tags instead of always fussy cutting. I did fussy cut, and then I made tags of the dolls too. It is so cute. And let's see, we did that, that, and it closes like that. Okay, and then this, we saw that, and then it opens like that. And then it opens again and again, and here's more pockets and more items. Look at that wardrobe. An envelope that comes with it, and the little girl I fussy cutted. The pocket even has a little girl on this one. And I always get a phone call. So you close this back up. It's very thick because it's heavy duty cardstock and then two cardstocks on this side and on this, so it becomes very thick. Here's the little girl, and then it opens like this, and look how it just flows and all matches. And here is another pocket that comes with it, and more ephemera and envelope. I cut that out. Okay, it goes in there. I know it fits, and I know it doesn't hang out. It's sticking on something. I'll fix that in a minute. And then it goes this way. I pop dotted this because this is the bedrooms, and you can see this house is the front, and then this is the little bedrooms. And more fussy cutting and envelopes and stuff inside. So yeah, she's fixing to open this back up. So let's close this. Let's see. Close it like that, and close it like that, and then close it like that, and tie it back up. So that's what you do when you get a junk journal project, but you said, you know what, I'm not going to do a junk journal this time. I want to do something different. So you make a folio album where you can have your grandbaby girl or nieces or family members that have a little girl, take pictures of them, put the pictures in this, and then send it off to them, and they would be so happy. I know that fits in their level. There it went down finally. So this is what it would look like. So I hope you like it. And I'm rushing because I know I got to call my husband back. He's on his way home from work. So there you go, guys. I hope you like it. All the links will be down below so that you can join the monthly club or go to her Etsy, and she has similar items on her Etsy. But in the Craft Room Club group, she only opens it twice a year. She's fixing to open it. And what we get, you never see on Etsy, and not everyone has it. There's only so many people in the group, and they only get it, and it's not just splashed all over crafting social media. So that's what's nice about that. So I hope you like it, and all my links are down below, and have a blessed day. Bye, everyone.